Hello everyone, welcome back to another problem tutorial from our Chapter 5 tutorial series for Financial Management course BUS 223. In this video we're going to be looking at problem number 52, and it says if a bank pays 6% interest with continuous compounding, what is the effective annual rate? Okay, now we've learned in our lecture the formula for calculating the effective annual rate for a continuous compounding, which is EAR equals Euler's constant E to the power of R, okay, minus 1. All right, very simple formula, and you can simply calculate it by using your calculator, as long as you know how to locate this in your on your calculator. Okay, typically it's shown something like this. In my Casio calculator, for example, it looks like this. It's an E and then raised to a square. Okay, and it's on top of the len key, so all you need to do is just hit shift and then len, and you should find it. If you are using any other calculator, it would be something like this, either e to the power of square or e to the power of brackets or something like that. Okay, it's Euler's constant. Anyways, so using a calculator, we're gonna hit e to the power of 0.06 minus 1. Okay, I'll go to my calculator now. I'll hit shift and then len and then 0.06, close the bracket. That gives me 1.060618 minus 1, and that is 0.06183, which is equal to 6% 0.18 approximately. Okay, so the effective annual rate for a 6% interest that compounds continuously is 6.18%. All right, very simple exercise. Just try to locate Euler's constant on your calculator, and you should be able to solve this problem very easily. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. And until I see you in the next problem tutorial, keep on learning, and I wish you the best of luck.